Hey friends, I'm so excited that we get to read another Kenard Pak book. This one is called Goodbye Winter, Hello Spring. If you have this book at home, go ahead and grab it and we can practice reading this book together. Okay, follow along with me. Goodbye Winter, Hello Spring by Kenard Pak. Hello, winter night. Hello, snow. Hello! From high up in the sky, I drift down, 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 down. I fall through the sycamore branches. I fall onto a husky's bushy tail. Hello, frozen pond. Hello, sleeping fish. Hello! We huddle for a winter's sleep. Over our frozen ceiling, the wind sweeps away snowy dust. Hello, glass house. Hello, I'm cold inside. The swaying trees through my glass panels are like tall, slender ghosts. The last logs are draped with snow. Hello, Winter Brook. Hello. Rocks and sticks are frozen in the ice along my curving banks. Hello, footprints in the snow. Hello. We disappear as the snow covers us. Hello, trees. Hello. Our thin arms shudder and lash in the rising snowstorm. Hello, empty nest. Hello. Against the striking winds, my twigs stay together. Hello, winter storm. I howl. Good morning, orange-soaked hills. Good morning. We glow at dawn. Hello, early light. I illuminate everything around you. Hello, slush and snow. Hello. In the sunlight, I soak into the cold ground. In the shadow, I stay still and icy. Hello, winter thaw. Hello, new leaves. Hello, waking animals. Hello, bright sun. I warm the land. Hello, budding flowers. Hello, bright blue pond. Hello, running brook. Hello, green grass all over. Hello, robins. Hello. Our petals blossom. The fish are awake. Streams run down the hills. Morning dew is on the meadows. The birds have come back. Goodbye, winter. Hello, spring. The end. Remember, if you guys liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and we can read more books together. Bye, friends.